Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, open your math countdown book 3, page number 134, and today we are doing question number 11. Multiply the following. Look at A part. Rupees 6.35 multiply 4. Students, these are simple multiplication questions as you have already done in your first term. Okay, just there is addition of point and rupees. Okay, but there is no need to worried about it. You have to just multiply it. Just forget these point and rupees and just simply multiply these, and then in the end I will tell you how you will put a point. Okay, so let's start with the first question. Okay students, now let's start to multiply these multiplication. So first of all we will, as you know that this is 4 and we have to read the table of 4. So just read the table of 4 till 5. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, and 4 times 5 is 20. So what we will do students, we will write 20 like this, and as I told you in my all lectures that we will choose the right digit. This is the right digit, 0 is the right digit, so we will place the right digit over here, and 2 will move on the next number. Okay, now 4 5s are 20 is done, this number is done. Okay, and now we will move to that number, to the next number. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2. 12 plus 2, how many? Just count on your fingers. Okay, 12 plus 2. 2 and 2 4, 1. 14. So here again we will choose the right digit 4, and the left digit 1 will move on the left side number. Now this number is left, so we will move this number. 4 6 are 24. 24 and 1 is equals 25. So what we will do, 25. We will write the full number over here. Okay, because there is no any other number to carry. And as you know that there is rupees is written over here, so we will write rupees, and as I told you that I will tell you where you have to put a point. So you just count 2 numbers from your right side, 1 2, and put a point. Okay, don't count from this side, don't count from left side, just count from your right side, 1 2, and put a point. Okay, got it? Okay beta, now move to the next question. 5 5s are 25, so you will write 25 in your working column. Okay, so again we will choose the right digit is 5. Yes, 5. We will choose the right digit 5, and 2 will move here on the next number, so we will write 2 over here. Okay, this number is done. Now there is a turn of the second number. 5 5s are 25 again, so now we will add 2 numbers, 25 plus 2. 5 5s are 25. 25 and 2 is equals 27. So again we will write 27, and we will choose the right number, that is 7, and 2 will move on the next number. Now the last number is left. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 is equals, just count it here, 20 plus 2, 2 and 2, 22. So we will write full digit over here, and in the beginning we will write rupees. Okay, below rupees we will write rupees, and because as you can see there, after 2 digits you will put a point, 1 2 point, and 1 2 we will put a point, right? Okay, now look at part C. 6 zeros are, students, whenever we read the table of 0 we get the answer 0. Okay, the answer will be 0. 6 zeros are 0. Okay, and then the next number is 6 twos are 12. Again, there are two digits. So we will choose the right digit 2 and 1 will move on the next number. Now 6 sevens are 42. 42 and 1, 43. Okay, again below rupees we will write rupees and 1 2 1 2. After two digits we will put a point. Okay, now move to the next question, D part. Rupees 5.15 multiply 4. 4 fives are 20. So what we will do, students? Obviously we will choose the right digit. So right digit is 0. We will write 0 over here and 2 will move on the left side because this is left side number. So we will move it on the left side. 4 ones are 4 plus 2. How many? Just count on your fingers. 6. Good. Now 4 fives are, this number is left. 4 fives are 20. What we will do? Below rupees we will write rupees. And after two digits 1, 2 we will put a point from our right side. Now move to the next. 7 zeros are 0. 7 fours are 28. We will choose the with digit right one. 8 is right. We will write it over here and 2 will move on the next number. 7 nines are 63 plus 2, 64 and 65. Okay, again write rupees, below rupees write same rupees and after two digits put a full stop. Okay, right, students, now this is our last part. Okay, there are only A to E parts are only included. Okay, so but I am giving you some more questions for your practice. Okay, so do question F and G for your in your homework, in your books. Okay, for more practice. So students, first of all learn the tables and then do practice of all these questions by yourself. Okay, don't copy from these from this video. Okay, first of all try it by yourself and then tally your answer from this video. Okay, if you feel any problem, tell me in the comment box. Take care.